Hey you guys, it's Kristen. Welcome back to my channel. So I'm at Family Dollar and I'm just going to be showing you guys two amazing quick deals that everybody needs to do. I'm going to jump right into it. So first I'm going to get this Crest, the gum detoxify, the 4.1 ounce. Please make sure that it is the 4.1 ounce or it won't work. So you're going to grab this. It is actually on sale for $3.50. And we have a $3 coupon in the app that we're going to get. Just making it 50 cents. Really quick, really easy. Next, I'm going to be getting this big bottle of Ajax. The 52 ounce is on sale right now for $2.75. And there are $2 off coupons that are attaching to this item. One is a manufacturing coupon and the other one is a Family Dollar store coupon. Since these coupons are completely different, they will stack, bringing the total down to just 75 cents. Now, if you're wondering how to tell the difference between a manufacturer coupon and a store coupon, it is really simple. If you're in the app and you go to the item and you click on it for like the details of the coupon, if it's like a long paragraph, that is a manufacturing coupon. But if you see like one little simple sentence that says one limit per customer or something like that, that is indeed a Family Dollar coupon. So like I said before, they both will stack, bringing the total down to just 75 cents. And even if you don't plan on doing this deal tonight, tomorrow, or whatever, just go and clip on your coupons. Like, just stop the video right now and go clip the coupons, because Family Dollar is known for giving us something and then taking it right back. So just go in the app, go and click the coupons right now, come back to the video, and then give me a huge thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. But yeah, this is the total before any coupons are applied, and then I'm going to show you my receipt afterwards. So you guys, here's my receipt. As you can see, everything came off and I paid just $1.25 for both items, which is an amazing deal. Thank you guys so much for just watching my videos, showing me love and support. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and just continue to just be a blessing to somebody else. Like I said before, I love you guys, and until next time, bye.